Welcome back, my Freestyle Nation, welcome back. Now first I want to say a big thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Guys, I appreciate you all. If you're here for the first time, feel free to come over and subscribe to the channel. Now today we're back in the kitchen, and we're back in the kitchen with some authentic food. When we talk about authentic food, we're talking about a chowbak menu, Ackee&Chicken Back with some cassava dumpling, yam and banana, some really hard food. So guys, just stick and stay and watch the progress and see what I go on. Shellings in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so now I'm about to prep my chicken back. Right, I have my onion, sweet pepper, scallion thyme, a piece of tomato, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna put it in it. I'm gonna rub it in. Now I'm gonna add my spices. This is Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Some Maggi to it. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of all-base seasoning. And a little bit of the magic. This is the magic. Season to the bone season. Straight from your yard. The spices, I'm not going to use a lot of it. Just use it in. Then I'll put some chicken seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm gonna rub everything in together. Nice. Wow. Guys, the aroma of my seasoning is just amazing. You smell the scotch bonnet pepper, the scallion and the thyme. Everything just combined together and give it that nice aroma. Now I'm going to add a few grains of pimentos. I just can't put up my pimento grain. And I'm going to rub it in. Now my chicken back is all seasoned, and I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes. Then it's time to fry. Stick and stay, guys. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna put in my cassava because we're making cassava dumpling. So I'm putting the cassava now. I'm gonna grate it. So stay tuned to see how I make my cassava dumpling. Stick and stay. Yeah guys, so I'm not grating the cassava because we're making cassava dumpling. If you don't know about cassava dumpling, well, you know it today. It's one of the best tasting dumpling, cassava dumpling. Trust me. So I'm grating. Now after grating, I'm going to add my flour. You guys will see how I make my cassava dumpling. So, yeah guys, so what you're gonna do now, after you grate the cassava, you're gonna add some flour. So I'm adding my flour now. After you add your flour, you're going to add some salt. You add some salt to it. Then you're gonna rub in everything together. Wow. Rub. So you don't want to add water before you rub everything together, because the cassava have some form of moist in it, as you can see, and I haven't added any water as yet. I'm gonna keep on rubbing it, and it's time to add some water to it. Add some water. Everything together, just like when you're making regular dumplings. Water. And I said before, this is one of the best tasting dumplings. Trust me. Stuff like these, I grew up on as a kid. Cassava dumpling. Now, heating my flour now. Almost there. Okay guys, so my flour is now completely kneaded. Now I'm going to put on the pot and it's time to cook. Stick and stay guys. So guys, I have now separated the chicken from the seasoning and it's now frying. So guys, as for the frying, what you're going to do is just make sure that it fries very crispy as it can get. So I'm now frying. Stay tuned. As always guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, the subscription button and join the movement. Stay tuned guys. Hey guys, so I'm now making my dumpling, my cassava dumpling of course. And as I said before, I make the prettiest dumplings. Making my cassava dumpling. Guys, remember it's a new movement, so I appreciate all the support I can get. Just keep on sharing the videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe and join the movement. You know what I mean? And remember, eat what you cook and cook what you eat. Stay away from the junk food. You know what I mean? Food like these are the real deal. You know what I mean? And then if you're Jamaican, you will know what I'm talking about. Yam and banana, cassava. You know what I mean? Your dumpling and whatever you want to do it with. But yeah, real food, authentic food. These are the food that we grew up on as a kid. You know what I mean? So cooking these stuff are like memories. You know what I mean? It's not all about the steak and the ribs and the fish and the salmon, you know what I mean? Sometimes you go show back and you got some chicken back and some salt fish and, you know what I mean? Some tin mackerel and stuff like those. I mean, I don't want to get the roots, so now we keep it 100. I'm making my dumplings. So guys, just keep the movement going. Subscribe to the channel and let's grow together. My freestyle nation. I'm now frying my chicken back. It's almost completed. And guys, as I said before, fry your chicken or your chicken back, whatever you're using with your ackee, as crispy as you can. So like, I'm gonna let this fry like probably like about 2 more minutes or 3 more minutes, then that's it. Guys, remember, subscribe, like, share and comment. Stick and stay, guys. Start. Yeah guys, so my chicken back is now fried. I'm now going to add some onion, sweet pepper, thyme and scallion on it. Now I'm gonna leave this season to cook for probably like about 2 minutes. Then I will add the ackee. Guys, the smell of this is just amazing. Wow. Some more of this. Allow my seasoning to fry. You could smell the onion, the scallion, the scotch bonnet at the time. Blending with the chicken, I mean like, trust me. Now guys, I'm about to add my ackee. Add my ackee. Then after you add the ackee, you want to add some black pepper. When I add my black pepper, I'm going to stir it. Stir everything together. Guys, the ackee is very soft because it's the one in the tin, as you can see. Nevertheless, it's ackee. So I'm going to cover it and like leave it for like probably like a now viewers and subscribers, this is it. Ackee and chicken back. Trust me guys, this is so delicious. There we go.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, this is it. Nice and delicious cassava dumpling, yam banana cassava with ackee and chicken back. This meal is just amazing. Delicious guys. As always guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and comment. Stay tuned guys, catch you in the next one.